Hello guys, my name is Dennis, and I'm right now in Manhattan, and I'm gonna test the FSD Beta version 11.4.4 in Manhattan. I just changed my settings to average. Let's see how, average to assertive. Let's see how the beta gonna perform here in the city. It's kind of slow here, passing the other cars, but that's alright. And like always, I'm gonna try to not touch as much as possible, but I think it's not gonna happen in the city. Because over here is a lot of pedestrians, a lot of traffic, a lot of that stuff. But anyway, let's see how it's gonna be. Let's see how the beta gonna perform. It's corrected itself, I think, or let's see the car on the right side. You see what's the wheel doing right now. Anyway, let's check how the beta gonna perform. I'm trying to not touch the pedal as much as possible, but maybe it's not gonna happen. Okay, now it's a green light and the beta start moving forward. Let's see. Like I told you, I'm gonna try to not touch as much as possible. I'm gonna tap the accelerator right now because there's pedestrians, and the beta gonna just stay in waiting for those pedestrians, because pedestrian was staying close to the road. And let's see how the beta gonna perform here. All right, it's kind of good, but let's see if the beta gonna move a little bit to the left side. All right, it's very nice. And the beta is slowing down here. It's almost stopped now for no reason. Let me just turn the camera that I have car behind me. I don't know why, but I bet it did sometimes strange moves when it's not supposed to slowing down. It just slowing down, and it's taken so much long time to start moving again. I don't know why it's happened that. Alright, so it's a green light and we start moving forward. It asks me to apply some pressure. I'm gonna use my volume scroll to show the beta attention. Okay, now again it's kind of slow here. It's a bunch of space, but the beta is super slow here. I don't know why. There is a bunch of space to just go straight. I don't know why the beta is super slow here. You see 7 miles per hour and it's struggling to go forward. I'm not really sure why the beta did that. Come on, beta. It's either the pedestrian, it's moved to the left side, then it's so the bicyclist, it's moved to the right side. Let's see if the beta gonna pass that car. Ooh, that was the pet hole. Come on, beta, you can go. There was a bunch of space. The beta is super struggling here. Let's see if it's gonna pass that car. Come on, beta. Okay, very good. Okay, it did, but they was super slow there. I don't know, I don't like that. Okay, and the next light, we're gonna turn left, and then we're gonna move to the right lane, I think. And we're gonna go straight till west side. Let's see how it's gonna be. Because over here I didn't see the problem for beta. Actually, no. On the next streets, it's kind of strange. I think there was two-way before, and now it's one-way, and maybe it's gonna be a problem for the beta. Okay. And okay, it's a green light. Let's see if the beta gonna start moving forward. Okay, I press accelerator. I press accelerator again. I press accelerator again. And you see, I press accelerated. You see, the beta didn't know what to do here, because it's like I told you before, there was kind of two-way streets, and now it's one-way street, and the beta just struggling a lot here. Okay, I gotta press accelerator a little bit because I see the car behind me and I don't want the people wait for me. Okay, yeah, the beta is super struggling here, super, because that's the bicyclist and pedestrians. Let's see if the beta gonna be able to move here. There was a little bit harsh stop and the beta is just struggling here. It can't be able to move because of those pedestrians, because they're staying on the road. But anyway, let's see. Nobody honking for me for now. And it's a little bit of traffic here. Alright, it's a green light and the beta should start moving forward. I don't know what's the beta doing. It's turning right, then it's turning left. It's kind of not that great. Okay, now it just stop. Now it just stop. Oh, come on, beta. I see that's the car. The beta not supposed to do like that. It's not even safe. Yeah, the beta really struggling here in the city. Like I told you in all my videos, I think it's not gonna be ready for the city, for the Manhattan, because of the huge traffic and because of a lot of pedestrians. That's why it's gonna be always super hard for beta to drive here, and because of the crazy drivers. Okay, let's ask me to do some pressure, but it's just the good lane actually. That's good. We're just gonna go straight here. It's already showing me that we're gonna go 3.6 miles till exit 2. Interesting. But we're gonna go till the west side, and we gotta shoot this video till west side because there's no need to check the west side, because the west side is always good. And the police officer showed that we could go, but it's anyway, it's a green light. And yeah, and the beta still have a lot of problems to driving battery tunnel, I think because of the kind of cones. The beta see that it cones, and it's driving like super slow there, super slow. That's why there is no need for me to check again the battery tunnel, because it's gonna be the problem there. And right over here kind of good, there is not a lot of traffic here. I think the beta gonna be great here. Alright, there was the yellow light, and we kind of good. We proceeded on a yellow, no red light. That's good. Let's see if the beta not gonna scare that guy. It scared a little bit. Okay, I press accelerate. Because the people also crazy. They don't wait for their lights. They just walking. They need to go. They just go. That's it. I mean, that's crazy here. That's why the beta slowing down, and because the beta didn't know what to do with those kind of pedestrians. The beta don't know if they're gonna go or they're gonna stay. That's why it's slowing down a lot here in the Manhattan, and it's not the greatest thing. And I'm, like I showed you before, that I use assertive mode. And even with the assertive mode, that it really doesn't matter. Assertive mode, average mode, or chill mode here in the city, it's gonna be the same thing. It's not gonna help. And after, not after this light, after the second light, it's gonna be the west side highway. We'll see how the beta gonna turn there. Ooh, and I have police officer behind me. Let's pretend that I hold the wheel. Okay, and we're going straight. here with no problem. Sorry. Well, let's see if we could be able to pass that light. Better you can go. Alright, and police officer just passed me. Okay. And of course you need to move to this lane. Right. Okay. That was kind of harsh stop here. It's not supposed to be like that because we have space here. But it is what it is. And we just stop for the traffic light. Alright, and it looks like there's the green light, but I didn't see that. And we should start moving forward. It's kind of traffic here. And let's see if we're gonna be able to pass that light here. Okay. The better kind of not on their line, but it's okay. They better figure out by itself where is the lane, and we're just moving forward. And we're gonna enter the West Side Highway on a yellow light, but that's alright. I don't know why it's the better slowing down harsh here. We could just go here, we could be just here and that middle lane. I mean, there is a lot of things here in the Manhattan Vans the better struggling, and I really don't like it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this short video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post next video soon. Bye guys, bye.